In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook password if you've forgotten. Make sure to watch the video to the end so you don't make any mistake. And don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, go and open your Facebook app. So as you can see now, here is my Facebook app. Now I forgot my password for this Facebook account. So all you have to do now, tap on this section, tap on this forgot password. So after you tap on this forgot password, now Facebook will ask you to send you a verification code through your phone number that is linked to your Facebook account. As you can see now, it will ask you now to send you a verification code through your phone number that is linked to your Facebook account, or it will ask you to send you a verification code through email, as you can see now. So here is my phone number now. So if I want to just get the message or get the a verification code through my phone number, I'll just use the phone number. But if you want to use just email, tap on this search by email. So for me, I'll just go and search by email by just phone number. So I'll just wait it to finish searching my account now. So as you can see now, it will just now send me a code through my phone number. So as you can see here, it says via WhatsApp. So if you don't have WhatsApp on your account and you want to just receive a code, so tap on this try another way. So as you can see now, here is my verification process. So now it can send me a code via WhatsApp, or it can send me a code through my email address, or it can send me a code just through just choose this email address is the most safer way. So just choose my email address and tap on this continue button. So now it will send me a code through my email address. I'll just wait for the code now to arrive. So as you can see now, I received now the code. Here is the code now. As you can see now, I received the code. The code, it says 036560. So I'll just type in the code 036560. After you finish typing the code, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now, in this option now, it will allow you now to create a new password. As you can see here, it says create a new password. So now I'll just go ahead and type in my new password that I want to create. After you create your password, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button, this one. So as you can see now, it just load my profile picture. So I'll just tap on this save button. So that's it guys on how to create or how to just change your password on Facebook if you've forgotten. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.